How to cut out trees in Photoshop using one powerful techniques. First, go to Window and choose the channel. And click on the blue channel. Click and drag the blue channel to the new channel icon. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose the levels. Increase the shadow to 155, and reduce the highlights to 180. And click OK. Go to Image and choose the Apply Image. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Click the foreground color, and choose the color black. Select the brush tool, and choose the hard round brush. And the opacity, 100%, flow, 100%. Press the left and right square bracket key to increase or decrease brush size. And paint these areas. Press Ctrl-I to invert the blue channel copy. Click the Load Channel selection. And click on the RGB channel. Go to the Layer panel. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Solid Color. Move the Color Fill 1 below Layer 0. Double-click on the Fill Layers color swatch. In the color picker, you can choose whatever color you like, or go to File, choose the Place Embedded and place the new sky. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. And this is the result.